Hey everybody, how you doing? My name is Chris. I'm a registered massage therapist here at Araya Health Massage Therapy. Now, when it comes to lower back pain, we in the moments tend to feel like our pain is unique. It's this rare occasion that happened where no one has experienced this level of pain that we're going through, when in fact, most times, in most cases, people that are dealing with lower back pain is a type of pain that's coming up as a result of not incorporating enough dynamic movements. Now what that means, here's the science, all right? The lower back is a stack of joints, the vertebrae, okay? And these vertebrae, they move in all these fancy directions, right? Which allow you to bend side to side, forward and twist, okay? Now these joints want movements, they want quality movements. So in other words, they are able to move very dynamically, and as a result, they need stability. Here's the problem. In our culture, we do not introduce enough dynamic movements, and we therefore are lacking stability with our lower back. And that is the secret as to why most of you watching this video are dealing with some sort of type of non-specific lower back pain. So the secret's out. Now, what can you do? Here's the solution, okay? Introduce quality movement into your lifestyle, and you'll see that the lower back pain starts to naturally calm down by itself. Meaning you can't get away with sitting 8 hours in front of your desk. Meaning you can't get away with just driving all day or sitting down in the slouched position because the body does not enjoy being in that situation. So what I want to share with you today, if you do not have an intense, sharp sensation in your lower back, if you do not have that numbing, radiating pain from the lower back shooting down the leg, the technique I'm going to show you for today has helped thousands of people. And it's a very simple technique. It's my secrets that I often share with my clients at the clinic when they are dealing with lower back pain. Now, is it going to fix every type of lower back pain? Probably not. But if it's non-specific lower back pain where the back needs to move a little bit more, this is a very effective technique to get the spine to move dynamically, and you'll see that it just naturally progresses towards the back, alleviating itself, okay? So stay tuned because I'm going to show you that technique. But, disclaimer, use your judgment. If you feel like this is too aggressive, don't do it. But if you are getting that therapeutic relief out of this, you're going to feel amazing. All right, everybody, so in this video, I'm going to show you a technique where we're going to try to incorporate a bit of dynamic movement into the lower back. And you'll see that just by creating a bit of a stretch, to putting your body into a position that you're not typically used to, you feel that you'll get this nice therapeutic relief, the sensation that, my back actually feels pretty good in that position. So once again, if you're going to do this, just be extra careful that you're not too aggressive so that you aggravate it and potentially make it worse. So use your judgment. Now, position number one, you're going to lie on a mat or you're going to lie on the floor like this. Okay, knees bent. And in this position, what you want to do is take this leg, take one side, and put it into a figure four position like this, okay? And what I want you to do super easily is let your body, oh, my back is cracking. Turn to the side, and just repeat that a few times, right? I like to repeat this for about, that feels good. 20 repetitions, right? For the sake of this video, I'm not gonna drag it on for too long. You guys will hear me grunting the whole time. All right, so you're gonna keep repeating that, okay? What you do to one side, you're gonna repeat obviously to the other side. Okay, so you're gonna repeat that. Okay, this feels pretty good. All right, turn. So once again, the reason why this is gonna be so therapeutic for your body is because we're naturally just stuck in this forward slouched position, and we don't get enough twisting action. There you go. I feel like I'm getting more range of motion now, right? So you're getting into the figure four and you're just letting it drop sideways. Super effective for the lower back, super effective for the tailbone. You can do this once in the morning, lunch, for dinner, anytime you get a chance and you're able at the office to get on the floor and practice this stretch. Hold it for 30 seconds, okay? Repeat for 30 seconds or for 20 repetitions each side. As I'm doing this, I wish you could hear this, but my back is just giving so easily. All right, so give this a shot. Let me know if you have any questions and stay tuned for the next video.